Hello everybody. So we are now back with the same thing that we've been doing for pretty long, and it's the fifth session today, the fifth calculation drills session, right? The fifth calculation drills session. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of sessions now. So firstly, let's start off with a few tables. We haven't done a lot of table practice, so we'll use the infinity mode. We'll use the infinity mode. In the infinity mode, you get unlimited number of questions to practice. I think it will be best if we start off, and blue means select, gray means unselect. So we'll select multiplication and we'll do the ones which are a little simple for now, because we'll be able to catch up a lot of speed. And I believe the ones who are new to the platform, they would be really happy to know that you can also choose your own set of questions. Okay, you can also choose your own set of questions, and the entire story doesn't restrict itself to only 2 3 4 5. It goes up till 40. Okay, you can select something as big as 40 into something. Okay, so I'll select one of that areas as well, and I'll start off. Okay, now we have 41 into 4. That's easy. This is 160 plus 4, that makes it 164. Okay, 160 plus 4 makes it 164. 19 2 is a 38. You must remember all the tables from, especially from 12 to 20. Okay, and this is the minimum requirement. The maximum requirement is definitely high. You need to know 12 multiplied by 20. When I say 12 multiplied by 20, I say that you have to start with 12 into 2, and then 18, 12 into 19, and 12 into 20, and you have to take this series up to 40. So 40 into 2 3 4 5, like this, and 40 into 20. So this is the minimum requirement. Sorry, this is the maximum requirement. If you reach this level of proficiency where you can multiply 40 with, let's say, 17, or like 20 or 25 very quickly, 26 27 whatever, very quickly, that is the level of proficiency that is expected out of the very very good students. For the ones who just need to ace the things, for the ones who just need to ace the things and really wish to have a decent speed in the exam, it's okay to know the multiplication from 12 to 20. Okay, the tables from 12 to 20. So we'll be quickly moving forward. Let me change the pen color so as to help you. Yeah, 17 6a, this is 102, right? 24 4za, it's 96, simple. Now 68 4za, 4 6 are 240, 240 plus 32, it's going to be 2720, right? Next, 76 5s are 350 plus 30, this is simply 380. 1140s is 440. Talking about 28 2s are, that's 56. Talking about 54s are, that's 200. Talking about 45 4s are, that's going to be 180 and another 0. Okay, 1800, 8 4s are 32, 320, 87 3s are, we have 240 plus 21, this is 261. Yeah, 240 plus 21, this is 261. We have 12 5s are 60, we have 12 2s are 24, and we have 72 into 4 is 288, right? How did I come up to 288? Okay, 72 into 4 was the question. How did I quickly come up to 288? The reason I could quickly do it is because I could break down 7 and 2 separately. I broke down 72 into 70 plus 2. 4 sevens are 28. This is easy for me. Okay, 4 sevens are 28, 280. 4 twos are 8. This is again easy for me. So I did a quick calculation, a verbal calculation of 288 in my mind, and I quickly wrote the answer. Now 5 into 99. We could do 5 into 100 as 500. 500 minus 5, it's gonna be 495. So this is how you save your time. 13 5s are 65, 13 6s are 78. Okay, 26 3s are. How should I break this down? 25 3s is 75. 75 plus 3, it's gonna be 78. Now 450 plus 20, it's gonna be 470. There is another way of doing it as well. We have taught that in one of our few previous classes. 94 into 5 can be done by multiplying 2 at the top and dividing by 2 at the bottom. So 2, and this is gonna give me 47. So 5 into 2 is 10. So I can quickly write the answer as 470. Okay, that's another way of multiplying things with 5. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 15 is 195. When I say 18 plus 15, I know in my brain that I'm talking about 180 plus 15. Okay, in the previous lectures I have talked about this. Whenever I say 18 plus 15, I know in my brain that I'm talking about 180 plus 15. But if you aren't well versed with this formula, if you aren't well versed with this, then you can say 60 into 3 is 180, and then 5 into 3 is 15. That is why my answer should be 195. The difference between 18 plus 15 and the difference between 180 plus 15 is hardly 1 second. Okay, you just have to say 180 and you just have to say 18. So the difference is hardly 1 second or even less than that. So you should not follow my method. If you're well versed, you may follow this, but you may follow your own method where you say 180 plus 15 is 195. Okay, now talking about this 300 minus 3, that's gonna be 297. Similarly, 56 into 4, that's 224, 2240. Okay, 4 sevens are 28. 28 plus 16 is 296. Again, I said 28 plus 16, this is going to be 2960. Okay, so that was correct. I'll pause this. I'll go to something else now. Okay. I did the table drills with you. Let me now do what? Let's do multiplication of a few 2-digit numbers with one. I believe you've done this as well. Okay, 3 8s are 24, and 24 into 11 is going to be 264. Forward, 15 6 are 90, 28 9s are, it's 280 minus 28. That's going to be 252. Yeah. So 93 into 1, it's 93. I think things are going to get a little boring here because we are doing almost the same exercise again. Let's go to something else. We've done the fast operations. We've done the fast operations in the past where we did addition. We haven't done subtraction much. Shall we do division? No, I don't think so. Let's go for some good number operations. Okay, let's go for some good number operations. So yes, continuing with the thing that we were talking about, we were at number operations, and let's now work with BODMAS. Okay, we've already done BODMAS in the past. So 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 8, or 1 by 8. 1 by 8 would be solved first. So 1 by 8 is nothing but 0.125, and 0.125 multiplied by 3 is 0.375. So 0.375 is the answer, or let's say 0.37. No, 0.38 might work here. Yes, 0.38 worked well. So 1 plus 1 by 8. This has to be solved as 9 by 8, and 9 by 8 calls for 1.125. The answer to this after rounding off would be 1.13. When I enter 1.13, this is the answer, and it is the correct answer. Now 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is in the parenthesis. So 5 divided by 5 is nothing but 1. So 8 into 1 is 8. Moving forward, this is a little longer question. So 2 minus 4, this is the innermost bracket. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and 3 divided by minus 2 is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, and there's a plus outside. So it's going to be 22 minus 3 by 2. Okay, 22 minus 3 by 2. This is 44 minus 3. 44 minus 3 is 41 by 2. It's going to be a plus 41 by 2. So the answer is going to be 2.5. No, 20.5. Right. So the answer is going to be 20.5. Okay. So that's correct. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 by 1 is 9. So 2 minus 9 is simply minus 7. So you can do all the BODMAS problems over here, and they are available at the click of a button. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Minus 1 and plus 2 is 1. 23 plus 1 is 24. Okay, so 24. That's it. That is it. That's how things start off, go to home. Now we've done a couple of number operations. We've already done a couple of surds and indices. We've talked about HCF and LCM. Here LCM we've done more, HCF we've done a little less. So let's go for HCF. HCF talks about highest common factors. We have 84 and 26 here. So this is 12 into 7 and this is 13 into 2. We have to find out the highest common factor. I think there is a 2 here and there is a 2 already here. So I don't think there is anything bigger than this which is common to the both of them. So 2 is my answer. Okay, 2 is my answer. Similarly for 35 and 75, 5 into 7, 5, just a second, 5 into 7 and 25 into 3. So there is a 5 into 5 inside inside 25. So 5 into 5 into 3 and this is 5 into 7. So the only common factor which is highest possible is 5. So the highest common factor of this is going to be 5. Similarly 29 and 76. 29 3s are 76. No? Is that true or not? Let me quickly check it. 29, no, that's not true because that's going to be 87. That's 87. So 76 doesn't come anywhere in the table of 29. Okay, it doesn't come in the table of 29 anywhere. Although 19 forza is 76 and 29 is a prime number. So when we have all prime numbers available to us, when I say all prime, I mean to say that one of them is definitely a prime number and the other one doesn't seem to be a multiple of the first one. So in that case, the HCF is going to be 1. Okay, the HCF is going to be 1. Similarly, in this case, 89 into 45, 45 is made up of 9 and 5. So if I still break it down further, we get the option of 3 into 3 into 5, 3 into 3 into 5, and 89 isn't divisible by 3 and it is still not divisible by 5. So there is no common factor that comes into the question. So the answer is going to be 1. Okay, so we've gone through the HCF part as well, and we did HCF today. We did a little bit of 2-digit multiplications. Let's quickly wind up by solving a few questions of 2-digit additions. Why is it my favorite part? This is my favorite part because this 2-digit addition is extremely invigorating. If you, this is a very strong assumption of mine. If you do 20 questions of 2-digit additions, then your mind warms up. Okay, warms up to do more difficult and harder maths questions. So 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 155. Okay, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 115. 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 12 is 142. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 18 or 19 plus 18, 90 plus 18 is 108. 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 135. 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 and 12 is 102. This is 76, right? This is 76. This is 108, 108. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 11 is 161. 3 plus 3, this is 6 plus 4, 64. Okay, I'm focusing on the tens digit first. I'm first adding the tens digit. This should be the step. First add the tens digit, second add the ones digit, and if ones digit, the sum of the ones digit is more than 10, then focus on the carry option. Okay, focus on the carry option. So here 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 104. Okay, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 14 is 104. Okay, I hope everybody understood and I hope everybody followed up. Okay, please do as many questions as you can because this really helps in the exam. Thank you.